How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Myself Meenakshi Sharma welcomes you on the online classes of Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Beta, in my last video, that is video session 30, I had discussed the basic concept of a number system, in which I had discussed the types of numbers. You can say natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. These I had already discussed in my video session 30. So in this video session 31, I would like to discuss the exercise 1.1 of chapter 1. So have a look. So exercise 1.1, question number 1 of exercise 1.1, is zero a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it? Can you write it in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. So basically in this question you have to tell that, is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. The answer is yes, 0 is a rational number. Why 0? Can you write it in the form of P by Q? Yes, I can write it in the form P by Q. आप 0 को P by Q की फॉर्म में कैसे लिखोगे? 0 by 1. Yesterday I had explained you the definition, the meaning of a rational number. A rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. Rational numbers वो numbers होते हैं जो P by Q की फॉर्म में लिखे होते हैं, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. नीचे वाला denominator 0 नहीं हो सकता, numerator can be 0. So you can write 0 as 0 by 1. You can write 0 as 0 by 1. So 0 is a rational number. I can write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero. You can see easily that Q is non-zero. यहाँ पे जो Q है denominator है वो 0 नहीं है ना बेटा. So I hope you understood this question. Question number. The next question of exercise 1.1, question number 2 is, find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. So, how will you find out? First rational number is, beta, you have to write 1 by 2 and the sum of these two numbers. This is the method of finding the rational number. 1 by 2 ऐसे लिखना है and after that इन दोनों का क्या करना है? एडिशन करना है. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 3 plus 4, 7. So it becomes 7 by 2. This is the first rational number. In the same way, second rational number is equal to, again 1 by 2, write down as it is. 1 by 2 का as it is लिखना है. The first rational number क्या है? 3. और फिर उसके बाद जो आपका आंसर आया है वो लिखना है. Got it? So now can you take the LCM? 1 by 2. After taking the LCM, 2 will come up. Now 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 7. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 13 by 2. This becomes 13 by 4. This is the second rational number. Got it? In the same way, third rational number. Third rational number is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 as it is लिखना है. फिर फर्स्ट नंबर को as it is लिखना है और उसके बाद जो आंसर आया है प्लस 13 by 4. Now take the LCM. 1 by 2 as it is. The LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Now 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 13. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 3 to 5, 25 by 4. So this becomes 25 by 8. This is the third rational number. In the same way, fourth rational number. 1 by 2 as it is beta. First rational number as it is. And जो आंसर आया है, अब आंसर क्या है इसका? 25 by 8. So after the LCM, it becomes 1 by 2 as it is 8. 1 8s are 8, 8 3s are 24 plus 25. Got it? LCM लेना है इसका. Now 1 by 2 into 5 plus 4 9, 49. It becomes 49 by 8. So it becomes 49 by 16. 49 by 16 is the fourth rational number. In the same way, fifth rational number. 1 by 2. First rational number as it is and sum. What is the sum? 49 by 16. Now take the LCM again. 1 by 2. 63 are 48 plus 49 divided by 16. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 97 by 16. So it becomes 97 by 32. Now the last sixth rational number. Sixth rational number I am doing here. Sixth rational number. 1 by 2 as it is. First rational number plus बेटा जो आंसर आया था, आंसर क्या था? 97 by 32. So 97 by 32. So it becomes 1 by 2. 32 will be the LCM. So 32 3s are 96 plus 97. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 193 by 32. So it becomes 193 by 64. So I hope you understood this question. बेटा इसको करना क्या? इन दोनों को ऐड करना है और 1 by 2 से क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So in that case you will get the first rational number. Now for second rational number, what will you do? Write down 1 by 2 as it is. Write down the first rational number in every case as it is. और फिर जो आंसर आता है, ठीक है, फिर उसको सॉल्व करना है. In third, 1 by 2 as it is, first rational number as it is और उसके बाद जो आपका आंसर आता है. ये प्रोसेस तब तक चलेगा जब तक आपके 6 रैशनल नंबर्स नहीं आ जाते. ठीक है? इन एग्जाम 6 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए आ सकता है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द 5 रैशनल नंबर. ठीक है? तो नंबर लाइन, सपोज 1 इज देयर एंड 2 इज देयर. अगर आप एनसीईआरटी से चेक करोगे ना, ठीक है, आप देखोगे कि ये ना डिफर करेंगे. आपके जो आपका एनसीईआरटी में आंसर्स दिए होंगे ना, उससे डिफर करेंगे. तो आप परेशान नहीं होना, क्योंकि बेटा एज वी नो दैट बिटवीन 2 रैशनल नंबर, 2 रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में देयर आर इनफाइनाइटली मैनी रैशनल नंबर्स. Between 2 rational number, 1 is a rational number, 2 is also a rational number. Between 2 rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. तो अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करते हो ना, इनके बीच के निकालने ना, तो आप इनको डिवाइड करके देखना, जो भी आंसर आएगा वो 3 और 4 के बीच में ही आएगा. ये सपोज 3 है, ये सपोज 4 है, तो जो भी आंसर आएगा वो 3 और 4 के बीच में आएगा. 7 by 2 becomes what? 7 by 2 is 3.5 and 3.5 lies between 3 and 4. So I hope you understood this question. 3 of exercise 1.1. Question number 3 is find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So how will you do? solution. First rational number 1/2 as it is. Now the sum of these two numbers 3/5 plus 4/5. So after taking the LCM, 3 plus 4 divided by 5, so it becomes 1/2 into 7/5, so it becomes 7/10. So this is the first rational number. Got it? After this, second rational number 1/2 as it is, 1/2 as it is. The first number, what is the first number? The first number is 3/5 plus the answer. What is the answer? 7/10. 1/2 as it is. Now the LCM of 5 and 10, it becomes 10. So 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 10 1s are 10, 1 7s are 7. So 1/2 into 13/10, so it becomes 13/20. This is the second rational number. In the same way, third rational number is 1/2 as it is. First rational number, what is the first rational number? This is 3/5 plus the answer. What is the answer? 13/20. Got it? So it becomes 1/2 as it is. 5 and 4, 5 and 20. The LCM of 5 and 20, it becomes 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12 plus 13 as it is, because 20 1s are 20 and 1 13s are 13. So it becomes 1/2 into 25/20. So it becomes 25/40. Got it? Now in the same way, fourth rational number 1/2 as it is. What is the first rational number? The first rational number is 3/5 and the sum is 25/40. So it becomes 1/2 as it is. The LCM of 5 and 40. The LCM of 5 and 40 is what? It becomes 40. 5 8s are 8 3s are 24 plus 40 1s are 40, 125s are 25. So 1/2 into 49/40. So it becomes 49/80. So the last fifth rational number 1/2 as it is. First rational number as it is, and after that answer. What is the answer? 49/80. Got it? So after taking the LCM, 5 and 80 will come up. So 5 को 80 से divide करोगे, it becomes 16. तो 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 49. So 1/2 into 97/80. So it becomes 97/160. So these are the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. As I had already told you that between two rational numbers there are infinitely many rational numbers. या 5 क्या बहुत सारे you can count out. ठीक है? Between these two numbers you can count out many as rational numbers. So infinitely many rational numbers lies between 3/5 and 4/5. Got it? So I'm again repeating the process. For first rational number, write 1/2 as it is, and after that do the sum of these two numbers. ठीक है? तो उसका आंसर आ गया 7/10. So for finding the second rational number, what will you do? You write 1/2 as it is, first rational number as it is, and the answer of first rational number. ठीक है? In the same way थर्ड में क्या किया आपने? 1/2 as it is, फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर as it is, और जो आंसर आया वो. ठीक है? ये प्रोसेस कब तक करोगे? जब तक आपके पास 5 रैशनल नंबर्स ना निकल जाए. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. exercise 1.1 is, in exercise 1.1 question number 4 is saying that state whether the following statements are true or not. Because you have given some statements and you have to prove that whether these statements are true or not. If it is true, then why this is true. If it is not, then why this is not true. You have to give the reason for your answer. So the first is every natural number is a whole number. In first statement you have to tell whether this statement is true or not. Means every natural number is a whole number or not. Beta, now go back to my previous video session 30, in which I had explained the meaning of a natural number as well as whole number. So natural numbers are those numbers, or you can say all the counting numbers which start from 1 and end up to infinity. This is known as natural numbers. And whole numbers are those numbers which start from 0, 1, 2 and end up to infinity. So in short you can say that all the counting numbers, all the natural numbers including 0 is known as whole number. Okay? So every natural number is a whole number. So you can write natural numbers क्या होते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. And whole numbers क्या होते हैं? Whole numbers होते हैं all the natural numbers including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So yes, can you see that every natural number is a whole number. यहाँ 1 से infinity है, यहाँ पे भी 1 से infinity है. So this implies that yes, every natural number is a whole number. I hope you understood this fact. Part of question number 4 is second part. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. Again back to previous class, or you can say the previous video session 30. Every integer is a whole number. अब आपको बताना है कि क्या सारे के सारे इंटीजर्स whole number होते हैं. So इंटीजर्स कल मैंने आपको बताया था, इंटीजर्स आर डिनोटेड बाय z. इंटीजर्स को आप किससे डिनोट करते हो? z से. तो z क्या होता है? द नंबर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट इंटीजर्स. नंबर लाइन रिप्रेजेंट करती है इंटीजर्स को. तो इसका मतलब माइनस इंफिनिटी, सोल, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, फिर 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. This is the number line. ये पूरी की पूरी नंबर लाइन है. This represent integers. From your left hand side, all the values are negative. So you call these are negative integers, and from your right hand side, all the values are positive. So you can call it positive integers. Now the whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by W. And what is the definition? What is the meaning of a whole number? All the natural numbers including 0. So you can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. Now you can check it. 0 से लेकर infinity तक तो मेरे पास है. हमें ये प्रूफ करना है ना कि सारे के सारे इंटीजर्स whole number होते हैं. तो बेटा 0 से लेकर infinity तक तो हमारे पास है, लेकिन ये वाले नंबर्स नहीं है ना. मतलब all the positive values are lying. All the positive values are lying, but not the negative values. Negative integers are not lying in this. So the answer is no. No, every integer is not a whole number. सारे के सारे इंटीजर्स होल नंबर नहीं होते. अगर मैं पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स की बात करती, अगर यहाँ पे मेंशन होता कि एवरी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज अ होल नंबर, अगर ये मेंशन होता कि एवरी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होल नंबर होता है, तो मेरा आंसर था यस, is you have to tell every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. अब आपको इसमें क्या बताना है कि क्या सारे के सारे रैशनल नंबर होल नंबर्स होते हैं. So now again go back to the previous video session 30. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of p by q. रैशनल नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं जो p by q की फॉर्म में लिखे होते हैं. p और q कैसे होते हैं? इंटीजर्स मीन्स दे कैन बी पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव ऑल्सो. ठीक है. एंड q इज नॉन जीरो. और ये जो नीचे वाला q है डिनोमिनेटर है ये नॉन जीरो होना चाहिए, जीरो नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द रैशनल नंबर. और होल नंबर क्या होते हैं? होल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? होल नंबर्स मीन्स ऑल natural numbers including 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. They are whole numbers. अब क्वेश्चन है कि क्या सारे के सारे रैशनल नंबर्स होल नंबर्स होते हैं? नो, एवरी रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. सारे के सारे रैशनल नंबर होल नंबर नहीं होते. क्यों? देखो बेटा, जब मैं रैशनल नंबर्स की बात करती हूँ तो जो मेरा p और q है ना, p by q, बिकॉज एवरी रैशनल नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q, where p and q are integers and q is non-zero. तो जब मैं p और q की बात करती हूँ तो वो p और q वहाँ पे क्या है? इंटीजर्स है. तो इंटीजर्स पॉजिटिव भी हो सकते हैं, नेगेटिव भी हो सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर मैं होल नंबर्स की बात करती हूँ तो होल नंबर में कोई भी वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं होती है ना. जीरो तो होता है. तो एवरी रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. द आंसर इज नो. एवरी रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. अगर यहाँ मैं पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर की बात करती हूँ, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ इज एवरी पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर इज अ होल नंबर, तो आपका आंसर यस हो जाएगा. क्योंकि पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर कहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं? जीरो. ठीक. नहीं. रैशनल नंबर p by q की फॉर्म में होते हैं. p by q मीन्स 1/2, 3/4, 6/7 पे ऑल आर रैशनल नंबर्स. तो ये होल नंबर्स तो बेटा कभी हो ही नहीं सकते. तो सारे के सारे रैशनल नंबर्स होल नंबर्स नहीं होते. You can say that 1 is a rational number. You can say that 2 is also a rational number. तो 2 whole number हो सकता है, 1 whole number हो सकता है. In fact 0 rational number है, तो 0 भी whole number है. लेकिन 1/2 is a rational number. लेकिन 1/2 whole number नहीं हो सकता. Got it? अगर ये फ्रैक्शन मैंने इसको डिवाइड करोगे तो 0.5 और यहाँ 0.5 कहीं आता ही है. तो आंसर इज नो. एवरी रैशनल नंबर इज नॉट अ होल नंबर. So this completes your exercise 1.1, question number 1 to 4. I hope you understood it very well. And if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me through portal. Okay? So good day and take care. There is an important information regarding the homework. As I have found that many of you are not submitting your assignments, or you can say your homework, okay, on properly and on time. So for this purpose we have made some necessary changes and we have made it more restricted also. So we are uploading the homework, or you can say the assignment, on the portal through school software. Got it? While giving the homework, the date of the homework and the submission date is always also mentioned on the portal. Suppose the date of the homework and the submission date. Got it? Suppose today is 8th July. And on 8th July I have given you the homework. 8th July को मैंने homework दिया है and I have mentioned the submission date which is 11th July. Suppose मैंने वो 11th July mention किया है कि आपको इस दिन homework submit कराना है. So till that date at 8 AM in the morning, सुबह 8 बजे तक, if you are not submitting your homework, then portal will automatically reject your assignments और homework. ठीक है? अगर आपने 11 जुलाई को 8 बजे से पहले अपना होमवर्क नहीं सेंड करा, नहीं अपलोड किया, तो जो पोर्टल है ना वो आपका जो होमवर्क असाइनमेंट जो भी आपको मिला हुआ है वो ऑटोमेटिकली रिजेक्ट कर देगा. इन दैट केस यू कैन नॉट मेल मी एनी असाइनमेंट और होमवर्क. सो कीप इन माइंड and do it very properly and take care. Have a good